Hello everybody, this is Sachin Jadhav. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to pay Airtel Postpaid bill using my Airtel app. Hit the subscribe button, tap the bell icon to get more notifications. As you can see, I am on the mobile screen. As you can see, Play Store. I am going to click on this. In search, you have to type Airtel. As you can see, Airtel app. Just click on this. First, you have to install this. After installation completes, you have to register this account with your Airtel number. As you can see, Airtel app. I'm going to click on this. As you can see, my postpaid bill. As you can see, due date 18 Jan. I have to make this payment within this date. As you can see, data left on my postpaid number 75.34 GB. As you can see, pay bill by clicking on this. You can see Airtel payments, my cards. Below you can see net banking. I am going to make payment by net banking. Just click on SBI Pay now. As you can see, my payment has been successfully completed.